back to my channel. Sorry if the lighting's a little off. I don't feel like getting my ring light, but in today's video I'm going to be doing a trim on my hair. I'm kind of scared because last time I trimmed my hair was like 2 years ago, and I said I would never cut my hair ever again because I look like Boo Boo the Fool. So today I'm just sitting here bored, and I was just looking at my hair because I washed it and I didn't know what to do with it. But my ends look really crusty right now, so I'm just going to trim my hair. It's not a how-to video, it's just basically watching me trim my hair. Let's go ahead and get started. This is what my hair is looking like. This is what my hair normally looks like after deep conditioning my hair and letting it sit in like a satin scarf, or this scarf right here, for like hours because I'm lazy. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. The middle is just not dry, it's just frizzy like always, and you know, it's just time for me to get a trim. The products that I use to wash my hair is the Cream of Nature line, and it's the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter shampoo, Cream of Nature Coconut Milk detangling and conditioner, and for a deep conditioner, since I'm blow drying my hair, I don't want any type of heat damage or whatever. I'm using the Cream of Nature Acai Berry and Keratin, and this is a strengthening hair mask for dry and damaged hair. Those are the products that I use today. Before I blow dry my hair, I'm just going to use the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Sleep Me Blowout Lotion. And this is just what it looks like. Use like a dime size, not a dime size, but like about this much for my whole entire head. And I'm just gonna start off right. You know, put this all over my hair. For more protection, I'm gonna use the Tea Tree Stimulating Growth Oil, and this is what it looks like. I like using tea tree oil now. It's just really lightweight and moisturizing. I'm gonna put this on my ends and then just like work my way up. I'm just gonna start off with the back first. I'm gonna take the front and I'm just gonna put it in like a little ball. I'm just gonna take this comb, and don't do this at home, but I'm just gonna detangle a little bit from the bottom to the top, just kind of help me a little bit, so it won't be like that difficult to blow dry my hair. This is my hair. I'm going to put it up again just to blow dry my hair. I'm going to put it in a fast pace because you should know how to blow dry your hair. I'm going to use the Infinity Pro by Conair, their blow dryer, and I'm going to use this headset for it to blow dry out my hair. And basically what I'm doing is the stretching method. So I'm just going to put up this section and work with a smaller section first and just blow dry my hair really quickly. So I'm Alright y'all, so this is what my hair looks like, and as you guys can tell, like at the ends you can see through it. Yeah, really bad. I'm gonna put my hair down the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna put this section up just to keep it out of the way for a minute. Part it down by my ear and basically take this top section and put this up as well. I'm just gonna take this section and go ahead and start with it. So I'm just gonna take like a small section first and get like the rest and pin it up with a bobby pin. But yeah, like I was saying before, I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional, so if I do good, congratulate me, but if I do bad, don't judge me. So I'm gonna go right here since it's like towards the end, and I'm gonna just go back over it if I feel like it's just needed, but I'm just gonna cut it off because I'm trying to grow my hair out, and I don't know about y'all, but I'm tired of being bald. In 2019, I'm trying to have healthy, growing, strong hair, because I'm tired of my hair being at the same length. But like, as you guys can tell, my hair is like really frizzy at the end, and I want to get rid of all of that. I'm just going to start out small first, and then if I don't like it, I'm just going to cut again. What I do is just take my comb, and I basically like comb out everything with the smaller tooth side. Take my hand and glide my hand down to where I think should be cut. Honestly, I think it should be right here, but I'm going to go a little bit lower, probably like right here. I haven't fully trimmed my hair in like about a good 1.5 to 2 years, because last time I trimmed my hair, I don't know what I was doing. I think I got scissor happy, which is probably what I'm going to do this time again. And it took it a while just to get back to where it was, but I think at the end of that cut, I was kind of happy I cut my hair, because my hair was damaged too then. So the hair right here is dead, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm pretty satisfied, I guess. It looks better. I really don't see like my hair through anything, so I'm just gonna take my hair in the back and pin it up before I get scissor happier. So I'm just gonna take down this section and go ahead and do the same thing. My hair feels so roughed at the end. Like, I have really soft hair, but like I knew I needed a trim when my hair at the ends feel like rough. And they get like really frizzy when I'm doing my hair, and I'm gonna just trim it. Cut too short at the top, but it's okay. It's okay. My top is usually shorter than the bottom, so it's kind of good for me. It looks a lot better to me right now because my hair was everywhere when I first started to trim my hair. Kind of got scissor happy, but it's cool. To the next section, I'm gonna just put this in a time lapse. After this, when I look at my hair again, I'll probably just cut it some more, because at this point I just want to cut my hair. So we'll see what happens. I'm officially finished with my hair. I'm just parting it how I normally part my hair, or like whatever. And this is what my hair is looking like. Like, it looks a lot better. Even though I got a little scissor happy on this side more than the other side, but I'm pretty satisfied with how my hair looks now. It looks a lot better. I could go for another round of cutting my hair, but yeah, this is what my hair looks like. You can't really see through my hair anymore like you did the first time. In the beginning of this video, you can kind of see a little bit, but I'm not going to cut that much off because I still want to keep my length, and I just want to get my hair back healthy. So yeah, I did a slight little trim, kind of got happy at some points, but this is how much hair I cut off. I trimmed. It's not really that much, not that much like I expected or how it was last time. I'm just going to do like a little length check, take a little piece down from here, then back, and it goes from right here, kind of collarbone. Yeah, come on, collarbone is right here. So collarbone length. Take a piece down from the front, and it comes all the way down, kind of close by my chin, but under my lip. This is all I'm cutting for tonight. Probably gonna wash my hair because my hands are like super greasy, and I hate my hair feeling like this. If you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed this trim, then please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below for more experiments on my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.